Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take ICT class for class 6. Dear students, our today's lecture 5 and homework 3, and our today's topic is question answer 1 from chapter 1. Question answer 1 from chapter 1. Now let's start our class. Okay. Question 1. Write down about the information and communication technology. Write down about the information and communication technology. Answer is, information and communication technology means to transfer, preserve and analyze the information. The different instruments made based on scientific data and information which have made human life easy and comfortable are together called information and communication technology. The concept of information and communication was found for the first time during the Second World War. At present, everyone in society is using it. At first, it was dependent on the computer. With the pace of time, technology is developing rapidly. The invention of new hardware and software makes it more dynamic, so which creates many opportunities to exchange, transfer and preservation the information. Okay, dear learners, question number 1, write down about the information and communication technology. That is your homework. Okay, that is your homework. Homework number 3 and topic question answer 1. Okay, so hope understood today's topic. Submit your homework on Saturday. So stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.